Welcome to Screen Printing with Barb and Logan. In your setup, you'll see fabric and paints. Over on Barb's side, we got a frame and a squeeze bottle and a squeegee. Oh, we got a wipey cloth and we got a squeegee. That's a tape case, but it's a squeegee. Cool. This is how we're going to screen print today. I think first we pick our design. Check out those flowers. Very nice. I guess next we have to pick a color or a piece of fabric. Red. Now let's pick some fabric. Blue. Oh, dark blue, regular blue. Depends who you ask. Logan is placing his frame in the appropriate location for where he wants the design good to go.
Let's place it on many different sides and stuff. You could place it in the top corner, for example, or just near this little divot here.
Okay,
we're just gonna go in the middle for this.
So we have to think about where the design goes, and now we're putting on some paint.
Just want to layer it just above where the design's gonna be.
That's good.
Okay.
So Barb, you know how to use the squeegee. How does the squeegee work?
Well, it's a cassette tape case that I broke in half, and it makes a really great squeegee. And
Can I see how you hold it?
Yeah, I hold it with my thumb on the bottom and my four fingers on the top. It gives me a lot of control when I hold it that way. And I hold it on a 45-degree angle.
Ooh. Very nice. Very light. I see the first few passes you're doing that very lightly and very carefully to spread.
I'm gonna move this around. I want to pull towards me.
Aha. To spread the paint evenly, you're doing it nice and light. Now, the lot. Ooh. Ooh, that's noisy.
Excuse me, Barb.
By pushing it harder the third time, that pushes the paint through, right?
Yep.
And now we're gonna lift. And there's the design. It's not focusing. Oh, there we go. Oh, very nice. But
in my eyes, it's so exciting.
Now what?
Now, I either need to print another one right away.
Right, because the paint has to stay wet.
Yeah, so I could print another one right away. Take off the down there.
It's very important, I see, that we do not mix the colors. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very nice. If I want to switch colors, what do I do?
Clean the screen.
Clean it.
Yep.
With that.
And yep, we clean it with water and a cloth.
That was so easy. And then the other side.
And then the other side.
This is the easiest thing ever. It only took us 4 minutes to learn.
Yep. And it'll probably only take like 4 minutes for that to dry.
That's great. Thanks for this tutorial, Barb and Logan.
Sure, and you know it's clean when you can see through the stencil again.
That's how you know it's clean. Thanks, everybody. I can't wait until we do this later this afternoon.
It's gonna be so fun.
Bye.